Update iPhone apps without the App Store.
Welcome to our guide on how to update your iPhone apps without using the App Store. This can be useful in a variety of situations where you may not be able to access the App Store or when an app is not available in your country's App Store. Please note, this method involves using third-party platforms which come with their own risks. Always be sure to download apps from trusted sources and verify their authenticity to prevent any potential issues such as malware or data theft.
Why would I want to update apps without the App Store?
There could be several reasons why you would want to update apps without the App Store. It could be because an app isn't available in your country's App Store, or maybe you are facing issues with the App Store itself. Whatever the reason, it's important to know that there are alternative methods for updating your apps.
What do I need?
To update your apps without the App Store, you'll need a third-party platform that hosts iOS app files, IPAs. These platforms allow you to download and install app updates directly onto your device. Please note, always use trusted platforms and be sure to verify the authenticity of the app before installing it on your device. Be aware of the risks involved in using third-party platforms and exercise caution.
How can I update my apps?
Here are the general steps to update an app without using the App Store. 1. Download the updated IPA file from your chosen third-party platform. 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer. 3. Install an iOS file manager like iFunbox or iMazing on your computer. 4. Open the file manager and navigate to the Apps or Applications section. 5. Drag and drop the downloaded IPA file into the Apps section in the file manager. This will install the updated app on your device.
What are the risks?
While this method can be helpful in certain situations, it's important to understand the risks. You're bypassing Apple's security measures and app review process, and this can expose your device to threats such as malware or data theft. Always ensure that you're downloading apps from a trusted source and that the app is authentic. That's how you can update your iPhone apps without using the App Store. Remember, this method should be used as a last resort due to the potential risks involved. Always prioritize updating your apps through the App Store whenever possible. We hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you for watching.